So you might be in a random situation where for some reason Deepseek is giving you some problems. So Deepseek is one of the more recent AI applications out there, and if that application is not working or if it's not loading any prompts, the first thing you can probably try doing and the first thing that's kind of recommended is to double check your internet connection. So what we can do here is we can make our way over into our internet settings. So make your way over into Wi-Fi, into your Bluetooth settings, your cell connection settings. You want to make your way over into those pages. And all you're going to want to do is you want to just double check that your Wi-Fi is set and your cell connection is set, or some combination of the two. That is going to be one of the easiest ways to go and fix this problem. So that's kind of the first thing that's kind of recommended. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is basically updating your DeepSeek application. So go through right inside of your app store like this, and all you're going to want to do is find that application, and you want to go ahead and try updating that app. So go right inside of your app store, your Google Play Store. You can also make your way over to the website if there's a website available for it, and try seeing if you can update update that application. If that's still not working, you might be able to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com, one of those types of websites that basically shows you what's up and what's down. And from here, you can basically go through and you can try seeing what services are up and what's down. And if DeepSeek is down, it might be on this website. And then you're basically just going to have to kind of wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So in terms of that, that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.